Hi guys, today I'll be doing a custom build on a scooter, and I don't know what it's going to look like or what type of scooter it's going to be, but it's going to have blue Apex bars. Yeah, if they load. Okay, so on this part here we'll show you the bars and stuff. I might change bars to. Let's see what these look like. What do they look like? Oh, nah. Um, they're the new. Oh, I forgot the name of the bars, but they're new bars from Brand, which I forgot. Um, oh, use these bars. Once they load. These ones actually. Perfect bars. Wait, no, I saw better bars. Sorry guys, I'm just. Where have I gone? What do these look like? Ooh, these gonna look weird. Oh yeah. Yep, I'm going with. Oh, where have I gone? Oh, that's six fast. Purple. I think they're purple. Yeah, purple. Grips. ODI, long purple, soft. Tick. I'm probably gonna have a black tick. Oh, maybe a crisp tick. Oh, nah, not that one. Maybe this tick. Oh, this one? Nah. Oh, I don't know what dick. Let's say bars. What dick I should get? Yeah, that. Yeah. Maybe this. Yeah, this dick. I'm not gonna look at it. So I don't wanna. Yes, that's perfect. Where are my favourite wheels gone? No. Uh, um, for now, I have those wheels. Oh, yeah. I just see one. What are they? They look better with. Oh, it's a sacrifice stick. Oh, okay. I've always liked the purple Apex one, so get that one properly. Clamp. There's nothing to do. Yes, blue dry. Headset. Oh, I don't care what headset, probably black headset. Grip tape, I love choosing grip tape. Grip tape. What's this grip tape? haven't seen this one before. Nope. Oh yes. Oh no. Yes. Okay. So I just need to go do something quickly. And yeah. Okay. So that was my custom build number 1, and I'm gonna do it again, but I'm gonna start from the bottom now. So for my grip tape, I'll probably use still sacrifice. What's this grip tape? I can't really see it. Or this one. Oh, that one. Nope. That looks weird. Grip. Oh no. Headset. I'll keep that headset. Clamp. I'll keep that one. Choose that fork. What wheel? Oh, I'll keep those wheels definitely. They're my favourite. Dick. Dick has to change. Dick. No, I'll keep those grips. Keep the grips, but change the bars. I'll get 2 bars. Yes. Okay. So that scooter, if you make the exact same one with all those stuff, it comes up to, if you're in New Zealand or somewhere around there, it's 624 and 84 cents. But then in England and stuff that use pounds, it's $312 and 42 cents. And it's that light. It's the true weight of it. So yeah, if you get one thing over, it will change the price of it. So 2 different bars. So it was 320 something, and now it's gone down because those bars don't look as good. So I'll change the lamp. There's a light clamp. Doesn't really say if it's light or not. I'm just gonna have a guess. Oh yes, I love tilt headsets and stuff. Clamps. Forks good, wheels are good. Dick, no. Need to change that dick. Looks ugly. Dick. Oh, Dick, come on. Oh, Dick. I need to go to that Dick. Yay. Okay, so I'm not going to do that actually because they got quite boring. And I'm going to go into bars. So if you guys want to buy any bars, I'll show you guys the ones I think look the best and are the best. First I'll go into some Apex. I reckon good ones are probably the gold ones. These gold ones here. And the blue ones. Yeah, so I've only got if you see